welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewer, in this video I am giving you information how to import your Bitcoin wallet with your private key in blockchain website. This is so easy. Sometimes you need to import your wallet, so you must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So today I'm going to import my wallet, Bitcoin wallet, in my blockchain website account. This is so easy. So how can I do this? Is so simple. You just watch this video till end. Then you can easily get the information how to import your Bitcoin wallet with your private key. So first I need to open my blockchain account. You can see here the blockchain open website in front of me. This is my wallet address. I need to enter my password here. Then I can connect to my wallet. First I need to authorize my account from my email verification. Authorize login to attempt. I click on authorize. Now login approved. Please return to your previous page. So I'm just going to close and click on previous page. So I also need 2FA required for login. So you know, I already told you about information about 2FA, how to enable 2FA Google Authenticate at your blockchain account. So if you did not watch my video, so you must watch my last video where I give to information properly how to enable your 2FA verification of Google Authenticate on your blockchain account. So first I am going to open my mobile because I have installed Google Authenticate in my mobile. So I want to get the code, which is code. So there is code that 340565. Just login. So if my all information is correct, then my account will be open in front of me. So now blockchain is going to XX. So as you can see here, my account is open in front of me. This time BTC price is $18,524. And today I'm going to import my Bitcoin wallet with private key. This video is only demonstration purpose. So just simple go to the setting. You can see here the symbol of setting. Just click on it. So there is option wallets and addresses. Fifth option, just click on it. So there you can see here the Bitcoin. I already gave you information how to create a multiple account, how to find the private key from your blockchain account. If you want to find your blockchain account private key like Ether or Stellar, you just watch my last videos. I also just giving to information. Just simple click on Ether tab and show. There will be show your private key. But today I'm going to import my Bitcoin private key. So which is the option? So you can see here there is option imported Bitcoin address. Imported funds are not protected by your backup phrases. To ensure these funds are second, please transfer them directly into your wallet. So just keep in your mind when you import your Bitcoin wallet address or Bitcoin wallet with your private key, so this amount will be not included in your 12-word phrases. When you create an account, you get that 12-word phrases, and if you want to recover your account with your 12-word phrases, so cannot add this balance in your 12-word phrases. So you must use this balance when you import. Okay, so now I'm going to import my private key. So just simple click on it, import Bitcoin address. So there I need to private key. So this time I have not private key, so I'm just going to create a Bitcoin wallet ID and get the private key. This video is only demonstration purpose, so just going to open Google and simple I will write on search bar paper wallet generator. You can see here the wallet generator.net. Just some click on it. I need just private key, so that this is only for demonstration purpose. I have opened walletgenerator.net. Just need to get private key and wallet address. So I'm going to move my cursor randomly on my laptop screen. You can see here the digits is continuously down, means randomly my Bitcoin wallet address and private key is generating. Now successfully I have generate Bitcoin wallet address. So you can see here there is my public address and there is my private key. If I need to deposit on my Bitcoin address, so just I need this public address. And if I need to import my Bitcoin address on any other wallet like blockchain, like Exodus or Jax wallet, so I must need have to my private key. So this is my private key. So just first I going to copy my private key and also my public address. I have opened my notepad file. This is my private key and this is my public address. You can also see here there is share, this for secret. You can share this public address but not share this private to any other. So just going to paste here. I'm also type here the private key or Bitcoin private key, sorry, Bitcoin private key, and just type double dot here and also going to enter Bitcoin wallet address. So as you can see, I have successfully write my private key and my wallets. So if I need to import this wallet ID to my blockchain, so just simple copy and going to open the blockchain website again. You can see here there is option also QR code. If you have QR code of your private key, you just simple open this and scan. Your private key will be automatically paste here. So but I have this time manually copy. I'm just going to paste here. There is my private key, first two digits and last two digits. So just I'm going to enter any label. This is optional. Let's suppose I'm going to enter fund transfer. So there is the option transfer fund to an existing wallet. Which wallet you want to import this private key? So if I click on it, so you can see here I already have created multi wallets like Farouk, Rauf, Majid. In Farouk wallet I have 0.4 BTC, or in Rauf wallet 0.1 BTC, and in Majid 0.5 BTC. So if I want to import this wallet with private key on my Farouk, so just simple click on it. When I have click on it, so you can see here there is the option import private key. So I have not this time balance on this wallet which I have created, because this video is only demonstration purpose. You can use same scenario if you want to import your Bitcoin wallet with your private key. So I just simple going to click. So it's maybe this website give me error or not. Address is added successfully, means I have successfully import my Bitcoin wallet, but this time I have not balance. But you can use same scenario if you want to import your Bitcoin wallet or your paper wallet. So just use same scenario, and there is my wallet address. I want to cross check this is my wallet is correct or not. You can see here the first two digits and last. I'm going to open notepad file, first two and last two, and this wallet private key is that. And you can see here I have successfully import my private key. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. And if you want to get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin, so you can simple search on Google cryptowalletsinfo.com and get this page in front of you. And if you want to click on all coins, so you can see here I already make the many reviews about wallet of crypto, Exodus, Digibyte, Coinbase. You just simple click on, let's suppose, VeChain. If you want to get the information about VeChain, so simple click on it, and you can see here there's all information about VeChain, how to deposit in VeChain, how to use VeChain, how to fund transfer from VeChain. So you just simple open this website and get the information. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.